I'm draining and flushing this 2003 2500 Duramax transfer case with 5W-30 full synthetic motor oil. Pro upgrade or rookie mistake? I'm Sean, you're watching Hacking Patina, and we're under my 2003 Silverado 2500 Duramax with the Allison 1000 transmission and the transfer case. And I've read that the pros are putting in or upgrading to a full synthetic 5W-30 on these transfer cases, these heavy duty transfer cases. This one in particular is the new process, the NP263XHD. It's a 2-speed, high and low range. Strength rating is a heavy duty. It's got the electronic shift and the buttons on the dash, and the XHD, that's the extra heavy duty. That pairs up with the Allison 1000 transmission on this. So what I understood from this transfer case is that the 5W-30, as opposed to the ATF or automatic transmission fluid that's recommended in these, I think it's like a Dexron 3, is because it's slightly thicker. It helps with the leaking around the seals if you have it, but mainly the number one reason is the ATF vaporizes, or it misses out of the breather vent when these things get hot and they're working and we're pulling on trailers and we're hauling up over Colorado mountain passes, and it provides a stronger protection layer on the gears and the chain inside that transfer case. The 5W-30 full synthetic, it's also thin enough to be able to be mobile inside that transfer case for that pump to be pushing it around. You guys let me know if I'm making the pro move or if I've been convinced to do something I shouldn't do. I just put it in my little pump bottle. I swapped it over into this little pump bottle. Make it easier on myself. I've got one quart in there so far. Getting ready to put the other, putting in the second quart. Then we'll fire it up. Take it for a little drive. Did I make a huge disaster? Am I gonna blow this thing up over time? Or did I make the right move? Let me know in the comments. Bloopity bloopity on my comments. Let us know what you pros do out there. You know, help us out. Build her up. Let that level off. Let us know, pros. Was the full synthetic 5W-30 Mobile 1 the pro move or the rookie mistake?